After you've finished all the trimming, there's one last step to do, and that's activate the adhesive. So this, we're going to need your hair dryer or heat gun. And if you've got it, a soft cloth and a rolling pin. If not, use a soft cloth with your hand. Don't touch the hot vinyl with your bare hands. Use it with a cloth. Then you'll just rub with a cloth. I'm going to use my speed roller because I'm in the business. So you don't want too much heat, just enough, and then you're going to give that a gentle rub with a cloth like that, and it'll get it all in through all your grooves of the Tolex. But I'm going to use a special tool, a high heat roller. It's not necessary to get your vinyl into all of the grooves of the Tolex, but it is necessary to use heat to activate the adhesive. And make sure not to hold the heat gun in one spot too long. You will scorch the film and you will ruin your Tolex. Just like that. Now the adhesive cured. The adhesive's cured into the case, and you can see the pattern of the Tolex through the vinyl. That's what you're looking for. So repeat that step along your edges as well, and your case is done.